So you think you got a plumbing problem. Hey, folks, this is the most serious episode I've ever shared with you. If you have a green lid, a riser, if you have a septic tank, you got to hear this. You got to share the video. Just the other day, another tragedy happened. Let me tell you what happened. A 3-year-old little boy, 4-year-old sister was out in the yard playing, and he reached down and lifted the lid off of a septic tank. He fell in. It's a tragic story. It's horrible. But let me tell you something. It could have been avoided. That's right. It could have been avoided. Let me show you this. If the people would have had this, that little boy would not have fell in. It's called a kid catcher, and there's different design, different manufacturers, and here's just one I happen to have. Let me tell you about this. If you have a septic tank, if you have a lid, right, what happens is sometimes people will go in them and they'll forget to put the screws back, or maybe the lawnmower runs over it and, I don't know, bust off. Maybe somebody runs over it with a car. But something happened, and you get an idea that the lids are so light that a 3-year-old can lift it, right? The story's been told way too many times, so not on my watch. I got to tell you about this. If you've got a septic tank, if you've got green lids and risers, make sure to get you one of these kid catchers, right? You can buy them yourself, you can install them yourself, but get one, because this right here will save a life. It's that important. I wanted to make sure I told you about it. It's just an idea, just a thought I got.